So this is not how I thought I would be introducing my next project. This is a salvaged 2008 Ford F150 FX4 Super Crew that I recently purchased. It was just delivered on its rotor, and the reason why, the story goes, is that it left the junkyard with a spare wheel that flew off in transit. It took a while for the driver to notice that it was gone, and when it was delivered, it was on the rotor with the wheel nowhere to be found. So when the wheel fell off, it damaged a lot of the fender. The fender already had a dent right here, however, it really damaged the front. The front of the bumper is more damaged than it was when I purchased it, and who knows what else sort of damage happened, but obviously I'm not super happy about it, but it is what it is, and I'm gonna do the best I can to fix it up. Now the big trouble right now is that this truck is blocking my garage, which has my Fiesta in there, and as of tonight becomes my daily driver because I sold the Touareg recently, and it is going to its new owner tonight. So unless I can get this truck moving, I'm stuck without a car. So I need to find a wheel and some lug nuts and hopefully get this car rolling so I can get to my Fiesta. But let me walk you around and show you what I just bought. All right, so we'll start on the good side. Like I said, it's a 2008. It has about 90-some thousand miles. It's 150,000 kilometers. No rust. It's in really good shape. Someone really took care of it. Full leather interior. Heated seats, backup camera. It has a lot of, the features I would want in a daily driver. I'll show you part of the damage. Aftermarket projector headlights, aftermarket grille. And this is where some of the damage started. When I bought it, this bumper was exactly like it is here. It might be a little bit more, but this plastic piece was intact, and also this headlight. This is a result of the wheel coming off. Now there was a big dent here on the side, as you can see, and a damaged mirror. The wheel coming off on the tow truck pushed this fender out. As you can imagine, it probably sat on the fender, and as it's bouncing up and down, the fender kept coming out, and it damaged the headlight, damaged this plastic, all of which can be replaced. Hopefully nothing internal was damaged, but I won't find out until I take this fender off. Like I said, the mirror was damaged in the accident. Everything else here looks really good. Now I believe, if I can open this door, it's frozen. As you can see, there's some damage in the back, and this is part of what concerns me with this truck. Let's go up there and I'll show you what's going on. This is the damage. There's a big dent here. My thoughts are that whatever accident happened on the front end, there most likely was a load back here and it just hit the back. Luckily, this is a bolt-on piece that I can get from the junkyard, but I will have to figure out how to pull this back and get this straight. But other than that, the car is in really good shape. Someone definitely took care of it. Full tow package, tinted taillights. There's LED lighting everywhere. There's no rust. Everything is in really good shape. So the Touareg is leaving tomorrow. That means I need to absolutely move this truck today in order to get the Fiesta out of the garage. So for that, I need at least a wheel and some lug nuts. And hopefully, if I get a new battery in there, it'll start up and I'll be able to just drive it away. If not, neutral and push it out. But this has to move today. So let's get to it.
Many hours later.
So I'm finally back. I've got myself a temporary wheel, some lug nuts, and a new battery. As you can see, it is dark out. One of the many disadvantages of winter is that it's dark very early. I have no choice but to do this in the dark. Tomorrow there's an extreme cold weather warning. It's going to get down to, I believe, minus 35 degrees Celsius, which is insane. I think that's like minus 30 Fahrenheit. So I'd rather get this done tonight. It's only minus 16 Celsius right now. So I'm just going to get into it and hopefully I can get it done. So first thing I needed to do was remove this wheel spacer. The threads were completely shot. Whoever put the temporary wheel probably cross-threaded the nuts, which would explain why the wheel fell off during delivery. I went back to the junkyard that sold me the truck to get another wheel and some lug nuts. Not only did they give me the wrong wheel, but 4 out of the 6 lug nuts also didn't fit. I didn't have any more time to waste, so I just threw on the original wheel with the flat tire and borrowed 1 lug nut from each of the other wheels. The air should hold just long enough for me to move the truck. I tried charging this battery, but it wouldn't even register on my battery charger, so I removed it and installed my new battery from Costco. That's where I got my Fiesta battery as well. You just can't beat their warranty. Once that's done, I'll see if this truck can turn over. Now I should mention, I did check the oil and coolant before, I just forgot to press record. Alright, battery's installed, let's go inside and see what lights up. Oh, we got lights, back lights. Okay, so it's hard to see in here. How do I turn the light on? Oh, that was not sure how to turn the lights on in here. All right, well, let's give it a go, see what happens. I think it actually might be out of fuel. Oh no, there's fuel. Okay, let's try it again. So we got an ABS light, fuel pressure, obviously, no check engine light, that's great. All right, that's great. She runs well. I'm just gonna fill her up, fill the tire up, and I will attempt to move it.